And told him say Abraham Okatakyie, man of wisdom and integrity, man of ideas. Abraham was school in USC. Oh, say on your scholarship to University of Connecticut in USC. Or the scholarship require. We need to teach young sa we do into the moon. Or young boy kwasi young so into the moon. It was na was yan no. And you mama bebre see on a chi from Sammy Gyamf Akache. The bar say gold board will make loss of over $3 billion. And after some Okudzeto Ablakwa so Akache or to nsemi faso. And Sam George as asfia na we see and several twagu ye no. Afrifa abere play o nyina na in fact one fans pay I can't adwan chire mo pa. Be man chimu na chire wadwen ama me. E wo comment section. I Penyah block me. That mess was said video. Obe like video no other one put subscribe button somebody click the notification icon of latest update na be chire wadwen da mama e wo comment section so ba so a. No je from Penyah biahwe. Empany for say Asem empro. Oh, Asem empro. Asem empro to say 80,000 years corner we can come and address it. Onim say Afrifa this year in Ashasia no now upon the back to back until say graduation from Gempa ebaye na ebaye na say we nya scholarship we chat the boom first class with distinction ama we nya scholarship I say Okotwani school so na this was University of Connecticut or the Masters of Laws honomo when they say media so the na you man this fuyi ana I jandama no when men on the internet just say over office okosunya de just say media obi ewo class na wonya school no metre media so there be no reply about for say obi e shaping the life no oh there be this for cancel now I run every friend in my life no because of school no and some bebrebe na twagu ye ewo na chi Sammy Gyamf de from gold board honomo kululu bebrebe and a course honomo emu conflict of interest any ade some Okudzeto Ablakwa so and some prekesen and no oje foreigners eba o man mu abra emfa parliament and no oye say etina no oye me say na say go ka say wama Ghana yenye free entry to 54 countries be I just say these countries no alcohol no more you don't need visa you got passport obetimako and countries are Ablakwa be no beke kan no and MPP time not those countries no about 90% of them were already free visa entry. Eti minim the Ablakwa kuna open. And MPP, these countries, these Africa countries, no, all you need is passport. Ghanaian never need visa to travel to Nigeria. We go with passport. Dada jina sadet here. Eti minim when you Ablakwa epe. I because Sam George. I don't know there. Bobo Sam George there. Bo and mediti data bundle price so na see was ko bibia free mama 4 million there no and kwata as blogger master munya YouTube and no fucking auto it mean drop or so 3 weeks that 4 million bundle na size was at all from etina was better to DSTV packages prices so then the see was so just say bibia samyo je bia na bia ntima amfa ya magana fo no na fancy we na sisi afi fetch no oh there be Penyah se ma ba ma me time na me so me nka bi cause Penyah man ka bia amwa me oh nana piao nana wonkwa so ya feel nana ka bi every fan sama oka emu chire mu ni
Bobby General
Oyene
okay yep papa we your friend Sam George Sam Jata if I onye Jata or your okra now you are appointed Minister of Communication, State of the Nation address. First person I address the issue. Yes, Sam Jata. So Wakra said Sam George.
Wakra George.
Now you are appointed as a Minister of Communication for 8 months. Govi. And some who private company and the boy ni would 6 months to 8 months. Montemo price so yente so Montemo price so yente the what the me no kase Sam George so oba na ya appointing getting to 1 year na ade na waye set no in any case Sam George so what here say Ghana is a free market economy na otiase sa And the economy, it is driven by demand and supply. It may and a private company and your friend DSTV and a DSTV no me price BGC. Your course you go if you where demand is higher than supply, then automatically prices will go up. Minister of State. Now say when we say there is a monopoly be somewhere. DSTV is enjoying monopoly. Instead of you to say a market competition, you are there thinking of price setting. What is price setting? You don't even understand your job.
Precise.
Constitutional mandate, you do not even understand it. Your mandate as a minister, you do not even understand it.
Exactly.
The private pay TV service. Oba drew a America. Omu Hulu. Omu Netflix. Omu Amazon. Omu Debe. Also subscribe to Wena Senor da. Omu Bordia. What the next one? HBO near the now the next one. It is where you minister of state. That's Waba. What's your policy for data? Etika say baby question. What do? You create a policy and the market competition.
Precise.
To strengthen the regulation, the existing regulations, and the market competition, beba. Or expand the market access, or build the troublemaker. Who you not go after Kofi or say, Kofi say, what I'm for Kofi Bra. But when you say DSTV before, you now go ahead. GTV, you want to say ABC and D. It's Mumbra. Now you mere Mumamana money, a DSTV compete. Minister of Adanik machoism. Private institution to be. So be a private institution. One minister now coach was in front of Bonnie.
Fire.
The policy framework Ben and one minister no one the two aquemo. Say bet me a break is the monopoly no. I really way why is the policy paper? Why is the regulatory framework? Why is the so be attracting alternative people? And DSTV one matches all over the world. In America, but this is not going into the minds, not concert, drama. Concert, drama, theatrics. Shifting the attention of the people from the real issues. Sam George. Yente Sam George.
The Home Minister.
Yente Sam George.
More fire.
You currently pay 59 Ghana cedis. When you pay 59 Ghana cedis, you get upgraded automatically to Access, which is valued at 99 Ghana cedis, and you get 35 more channels. This represents a 40% savings if you were to pay for the Access yourself. Second bouquet, Access, currently going at 99 Ghana cedi. If you retain your Access bouquet at 99 Ghana cedi, MultiChoice will bump you up to the family bouquet, which is currently priced at 190 Ghana cedis. You get 19 more channels, which means that if you were to stay on Access and get bumped up, for the value you get, you make a savings of 48%. If you're on the family package, which is currently valued at 190 Ghana cedis, DSTV will automatically bump you up to Compact, which ordinarily goes for 380 Ghana cedis. You get 22 more channels and actually get access
such a shameful behavior and character. Minister of State and then they want to for a private individual, but Minister of State and then one no done no a PRO announce prices over here and a month for okay, so after 3 months prices what next? Policy now when they buy, a day. Now, in any case, DSTV, could be a necessity and that's luxury. Me who ye anka minister there. Ye do ba ben mu. Ye wo ye ne say in such a way say there a ye necessity no. Na me metie na minister no to there na dia. Only DSTV for ntokwa no. State of the Nation address efa me home. Wow. 8 months eje yebre. Sam George 8 months eje yebre. So the simple question we are asking Sam George is Oba yen for the past 8 months again na why ye?
More fire. More fire.
Yen influence will be
more fire on him.
Na yen share adie. Yen share.
A Compact Plus customer like you, 570 tomorrow. If you want to watch your Compact Plus, you save 190 Ghana cedi tomorrow by paying 380 and still watching your Compact Plus.
Well,
this cannot be said to be the same.
Based on what you said yesterday,
yes.
Tomorrow, in my case,
yes,
I still will pay 570
because you want to pay 570 and watch premium.
Price reduction. I still will pay 570.
No. What do you want to watch? Do you want to watch your Compact Plus or premium?
I want my Compact Plus.
Then you don't need to pay 570. You need to pay 380. You need to drop and save yourself 190. You save yourself 190 Ghana cedi, pay 380, and you will still watch Compact Plus.
Compact Plus is still 570. Is it not?
The content is worth 570.
Compact
Plus
is still 570.
The content is worth 570.
Compact Plus.
It's being offered to you at 380.
Compact Plus is still 570.
The arrogance with which until machoism be challenge. He has no clue what it means to say a minister.
Never.
The beyond na Sanja here so he has no clue what it takes to be a minister. Minister the only DSTV want to say on traffic on chattel.
There be one number.
We have some George and tour. Now, young State of the Nation, 24-hour economy, no. I had day. 24-hour economy, no. I had day. Bobby. Yeah, 24-hour economy. Yet, Chroma say na 24-hour economy. But two I'm catching them say, "Omuni policy in Ibia framework be any o."
Nabi.
Name mo na man for ni pipiate. Na okay, how to win elections. Book akwentu 0. Etworo koma ani nua maku 0. E wo room. Time wana maku 0 epe tumi e wo room. Emperor. Okatakyie say promise the people so hard because people get disappointed when you don't promise them than when you are not able to deliver the promise. Will you be ready? How by we are speaking to issues and educating you. Marcus 0, Ninia Quintus 0, Chro Krata command, tell Manu up emperor of room. No, Okatakyie say. One of the things you must do is that you should promise the people so hard because people get disappointed when you don't promise them than when you are not able to deliver the promise. It's not your man 24-hour economy. One year down the lane, what is the state of 24-hour economy?
No fire.
This is the 24-hour economic clock. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. 1, 3, 3. One job, 3 shifts, 3 people. Obiabe Didi. Ezu. Extraordinary problems require extraordinary solutions for extraordinary results. And so businesses and public organizations will be encouraged to operate 24/7 in 3 shifts of 8 hours each. This will boost production, it will increase employment and provide well-paying jobs. It will transform Ghana into an import substitution and export-led country. It will increase employment opportunities and revenue, and it will enhance access to public services. We will focus on some selected public institutions that have huge customer traffic. For instance, the ports and harbors should be open 24/7. That means we have to employ more workers at the port. We have to employ more customs officers, more Gapoha workers, more forklift operators and all that. We need customs. Customs should work 24/7. 3 shifts.
Mr. President, 1 year on, Akufo-Addo buy in the first year, 2017. The first year now, General, annual or launching the flagship program, Free SHS.
Precisely.
1 year down the lane, which sectors are operating the 24-hour economy? What are the measurable outcomes as it stands now? Mr. President, we want to know. Why is a 24-hour economy? Oba ye nurses for quarantine to 1 year. What is the status of job creation under the 24-hour economy? Sammy Gyamf, 24-hour economy, no? What is the status? What percentage our policy was a major employment engine? How many jobs have been created? Which industries have adopted the 3 shift? 1 job, 3 shift, 3 jobs. Data 133 go be data 24-hour economy away man for the NTSCT data 24-hour economy citizens in person wo mu na 1 year at Ato concert man for the ntenio no ase womani che ho ye the boxing the amfa near the Shatawale na lumba die ba ye boa lumba die setere mam se yanka we na concert nko salary arrears of nurses, doctors, teachers kura muntimintua and I don't mean agoya kotobonku ya otega ateyi wasi ye tua teachers ka the several months of see ntua omuka no ye tua omuka nti ye mo ye nsem aban no it's crazy to say aban yend Edigovi clearly a frakadam 24-hour economy no the state of the nation you know actually say 24-hour economy be anyhow same ayi gold board so
we would love to do that but if you are not and that is where John Mahama's 24-hour economy comes in as a deliberate government intervention to encourage that person and make it easy for him. Okay. Yet it was no. You think Kenya boso. Yeah, the idea be by friend of time of use tariff. And mra will be use Kenya and the better boa will be tria. It will use soon Kenya no. And mra di pado will use soon Kenya and your friend.
Ononkwa. Sammy Gyamf nkwane said we sika in Kenya.
In Kenya.
In Kenya no away time of use tariff for said no away.
Active.
Sammy Gyamf away. How many companies necessary at the time of use tariff for said in Kenya no? How many companies? Frakadam. And the people are not interested in these particular things. They are distracted. A lot of things distract them. The state of the economy, the 24-hour economy, Wadaruma, Ghana was told, Ghanaians were told we should expect major economic shift 1 year down the lane. 24-hour and coming in. President
John Dramani, please, we are on our knees. Some of us worked for the party. Look, these are our party cards. This This is my party card. This is my thing card. This is where I pay my dues. Look at this one. Look at this one. You see, so it is not politically motivated. This is my party constitution. It is not behind this MPP. Please, the youth have worked and must be paid. Teachers must be given clearance. Those who are in the house, they should be given clearance to work. You see, Ghana, we don't respect teachers. It is teachers who make every profession. So now, why are you making it look as if we should regret why we chose this profession? All of us cannot be at the presidency. All of us cannot be at the ministries. All of us cannot be doing any other work. Some must definitely teach. And so if you have chosen this profession, and this is how Ghana is treating us, if you don't get teachers to work, if you don't get teachers to teach our words, what will the country, how will the country be? How will it be?
If you don't get teachers to teach our words, kope baby for fraud. What na buying what other mo 24-hour economy.
That one.
Obi. So the state of the state of the nation address here mo hunu the ekoso. Yamani bebre nya no kore. Ye bochiri. Kobi ati kwama sei. Ana omode ayibaye. Ora.
Six cases that we have reviewed in detail. If we are successful in recoveries, we can retrieve as much as 20.49 billion United States dollars. 20.49 billion United States dollars. 36 cases, and that's from National Cathedral, PDS, MS, SML. You have the GMPC Salt Pond decommissioning.
Okudzeto, 21 billion away.
Man.
21 billion. 1 year down the lane. Ora me pamucho madaroma 21 billion ewahi.
Bisa more.
Major campaign promise some be retrieve corruption. They say Attorney General, ada no media general, ana media general. They say medium no wa ba. Ya be court ato Attorney General's uncle court. Eh ya ba media ni wa ba. Na Attorney General no. They say mo man nko media general for headquarters. Cause me nim the oil. Now the idea I make Asem bebree because of the respect I have for the deputy Justice Remsai.
So precisely.
Now so enedie ye better ne to. Ye be ma banfo no atra.
Powerful.
The Busa government we say what is the clear commitment of Ora na dia na ba maje dodo say sika no maje sen. Court on sense.
Not fire.
Yentie Okudzeto. Yanko so ntie no.
And we decided that in this open session we will not go into greater detail. There's a great deal of resources belonging to the taxpayers that can be retrieved. Then we've also done an estimate of the state capture, the lands. If we successfully ask people to pay conservative market value for the lands they have looted, again, the experts are telling us that we can recover about 702.8 million United States dollars for the Ghanaian people. That's if we just ask
708 million. Sign a motimiaje. No catchere Ora. Hey, yede ayi akwaya wakasa lawyer yakase. Your friend is Martin Pebu. Ora. We go after them. Ora akwaya day. 1 year down the lane, state of the nation. What is the true state of Ora? What have they been able to achieve?
Ask them.
Ora, no. What is the true state of Ora? True state of the nation address. We will keep on advising. Obi, yebema mo hunu die koso. Dede ni ade ni nyina enka hwe. Afini concert ne President Mahama waje fans ni we are humble but okay we are humble na concert no kata the real issues so I am not part of it. I'm watching the called the true state of the nation. True state of the nation.
Those who were paying 42,000 cedis, 120,000 cedis, 160,000 cedis to pay the fair market value. Those are lands that $500,000, $600,000. You will even struggle to get cantonments land at that figure. So very conservative estimates. We take the view that if people are asked to pay the real market value, this is how much we can retrieve. So in all, just a summary, the 36 cases, the high amount cases that we put together, and then the land loot, potentially we can raise about 21.19 billion United States dollars. And that is far more than what we have been chasing the IMF for. We have also saved large portions of the agric mechanization lands at cantonments. Those of you who are conversant with that land opposite the Elwak Sports Stadium, all of it had been allocated. The documentation we have is that all of that land has been sold. And the sad part is that you will see from the report, some people, prime cantonments land, paid as low as 42,000 cedis. 42,000 cedis for a plot of land. Some 160,000 cedis. And these government officials, MPs, ministers of state. So,
Gobi, General.
Bisa no hene.
Me ofa kempo, me ofa me nya me hu se wo frɛ na me wi a me frɛ. Why? Me frɛ ni edi ma me akoso se wa onkomo. Why? Ni ade nyina. Go fie
Hene.
Na ye free ora ne ho no a. Ye ti kromo asei. Ana antie bi e frɛ ni Jakwa. Ɔne ne nkurɔfoɔ hyehyɛ kambu. Ɔmo so ɔmo akɔkye gold bi.
The national security has made a massive bust, seizing a large unspecified amount of US dollars and Ghana cedis, including other counterfeits, hidden in 12 20-footer shipping containers. The containers were tracked to a warehouse at Sapiman in Ega West municipality, where a special operation was conducted after a tip-off. The cleverly concealed currencies, mostly bundles of US dollars, was found in wooden boxes filled with cement. Other boxes opened in the warehouse during the operation revealed extra currencies stashed in boxes that are barricaded with plywood and concealed with charcoal. According to the national security operatives involved in the operation, 2 containers
the state of the nation, Jakwa. Gold na ewo Gold na muko any sika dollars na muko ewo he. We want to know the truth of the nation. Ewo he. It's a muko nya gold. Na ebesi na ya hunu ba bi e fire dia. And it means more as gold than the dollars no. Because the people must know. The people must know. For several months, 1 year down the lane, the question that is louder, that needs answers. Where is the gold? Where is gold bond? Gold bond. What you claim to say, Mahama Sammy Gyamf, be catching you say. What you think of me? Oh, my because Sammy Gyamf Asem so. Me uncle, where so ECG. Jinapo, Sabu Jinapo, Sewayo. Catching you say, Sayira. Over 2,000 something. Even a state of the nations are containers when away. What is that? You will say question. What is the status of a container away?
them.
It's manfo no nte nneɔma no ase. Where the state of the nation address in your neighbor no. Govi yenyi wenfi wo. Yati ha say Sammy Gyamf Gold Board may be making losses. Okay? So Sammy Gyamf Gold Board make an wasem ka no monti ase. And it is coming out Gold Board is making losses. Now the information
fire. Oh, you want fire.
Gold Board is making losses. The true state of the nation. Yefri message ECG containers in 2637 no e wo hefa
Expose them.
E wo he
This one.
Obi omon kan kore na manfo na yes na say yira ya yes ye hu ye e wo he $1 ye kwachi no opoku ase na e wo he state of the nation obi awia na
Fire.
ye busa sa question obi awia
Fire.
yes anka you
Meanwhile, a manhunt is underway for 4 suspects, including a ringleader known only as Alaji. The warehouse yielded even more shocking discoveries, including boxes of metals suspected to be gold bars, counterfeit notes in 50 and 100 cedis denominations, and fake Ghana Army uniforms and boots.
The state of the nation, you know. Ogwako. Baby ayaba bedu no. Etro ne dibu man.
Sir?
Wait until I watch amame. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah media? Agra.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!